Hello, we meet again for something really special. Something that is going to be extremely interesting, but at the same time, I would require 100% attention for something like this. So today, it is not going to be me who's going to take up so much of your screen time, but that is going to be taken up by someone really special. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and join me in welcoming the president of the 36th year of the Rotaract Club of HR College, presenting to you Rotaractor Simran Lodha for President-elect announcement.
Beginnings are beautiful. Whether it be the first page of a new chapter, the beginning of a workout program, the start of a new semester or job, or even a decision to quit a bad habit. They can be different from what we are used to, and it can be hard to adapt. But there's just something so liberating, so freeing, and so beautiful about new beginnings. So here's to a new beginning, a new year, a new feeling, and a new way of life. Presenting to you a new legacy in the form of the 36th Board of Directors.
So first up, if plan A doesn't work out, the alphabet has 25 other letters, 204 if you're in Japan. This person believes in finding solutions for a problem rather than sulking over them. He is an inspiration to many and someone who I personally look up to as well. This person has been there, done that. His experience in the club is the most vital and will help the club grow forward. Since he has seen a lot of different sides of the club, he is the first person that everyone goes to for advice, and hence, as immediate past president, he will be the perfect guide for me and the year in general. So presenting to you the immediate past president for the 36th year of the Rotaract Club of HR College, Rotaractor Ayush Jain. Believe you can, and you are already halfway there. This simple yet meaningful quote best describes this person. This person has had some fantastic moments where he or she has shone brightly even at the darkest times. A competitive nature coupled with an understanding nature makes this person an absolute beast to be around. Having been an experienced and seasoned individual, he will be the perfect advisor. His mature and forward thinking will certainly make him the ideal vice president. Presenting to you the vice president of the 36th year of the Rotaract Club of HR College, Rotaractor Jahan Sardani. So apologies from Jahan's end since he couldn't be here. Moving on, I don't need to be the loudest person in the room. My work is enough to silence just about anyone. If working hard in silence was an Olympic sport, then India would probably have another goal through this person. Blink and you might miss her, but see her work and you won't forget. Grit and determination are something that this person will never lack in. With just about the perfect skill set, Secretariat has gotten a new set of wings to fly high. Presenting to you the Secretary for the 36th year, Rotaractor Smruti Jariwala. Moving on, when you can't find the sunshine, be the sunshine. This quote is extremely apt for the next person. A massive ball of energy. This person can light up a dull room within seconds. This bubbly nature of hers, coupled with a professional work ethic, makes this person stand out. This person has proved herself at various occasions and has always been there for the club. Her hard-working nature, along with these attributes, make her the perfect person to handle the post of Joint Sec as well as Task Force. Presenting to you the Joint Secretary and Task Force Director for the 36th year, Rotaractor Isha Voda. So next up, There are no elevators to success, so come join me on the stairs. This person believes in not only dreaming but working towards whatever he or she wants to achieve. Passion and enthusiasm oozes out of this person. His confidence might just intimidate you, but his friendly nature will also make you feel good about yourself. His accurate working style will ensure that the club's finances are properly managed, and his energy and enthusiasm will make sure that the 36th general body falls in love with him. So presenting to you the treasurer and the club service director of the 36th year of the Rotaract Club of HR College, Rotaractor Ishan Moratka. So moving on to the next person. I'm not afraid to be smart, but I'm smart enough to be wise. Being real, honest and practical is something that we know that this next person has always been. His varied experience at the club is something that is only going to make his talent shine at the avenue of professional development. This person is someone who is always his true self and is never scared of voicing his opinions and knowledge, which will only help his cause at the Sergeant at Arms. He is someone who you can never have a dull moment around, bringing a lot of discipline, classiness and most importantly professionalism, presenting to you the Sergeant at Arms and Professional Development Director, Rotaractor Karan Shah. There are some people that have the best of everything, and then there are some people that make the best out of anything. This quote perfectly sums up what this next person stands for. This person can instantly light up anything and everything around her. Put her to a task, and you'll see her resilience and steely resolve to see that task through, because passion runs through the veins of this person. With a bubbly nature and a go-getter attitude, this person is going to be an achiever for her avenue. Along with Ishan, she will be the perfect go-to person for the 36th general body. Presenting to you the second club service director, Jia Shah.
You're the drug that I'm addicted to, and I want you so bad, but I'll be fine.
Smart enough to outsmart anyone who tries to outsmart me. This person often comes off as a very silent person, but mistake that for a weakness and you won't know what hit you. When she puts her heart to something, there's nothing, I repeat nothing she can't do. At the same time, she's smart enough to know just the right amount of things that need to be said to get the work done by just about anyone. Having been an asset to the club for years now, her humility and brilliance will take the avenue of community service to newer heights. Presenting to you the first community service director, Rotaractor Diya Namak. Be good, do good, and you will have good. This next individual is a people's person simply because of the fact that you get reciprocated with love and concern what you show for everyone around you. The amount of respect she has for everyone and everything clearly shows the type of person that she really is. She has proved her worth and potential at various platforms throughout the year, making her the perfect fit for this avenue. Along with Diya, she will ensure that the world is giving back to the community and that someone is always putting up a smile on someone else's face. So presenting to you the second community service director, Vanchika Tolkar. Next up, I don't believe in destiny, I simply believe in myself. This next person is someone who is the embodiment of the word dedication. Having been in the club for the time that he has grown to not just love the club, but go completely all out for this place. This person's sheer hard work speaks volumes of talent that he possesses. At international service, there is no doubt that this person will create a magical world for every person that wants to board a flight to this institution. So presenting to you the first International Service Director, Protractor Mahir Chaudhary. So moving on, some people work and then they play, and then there are some people who make work sound like a child's play. If the life of the party had to be a person, it'd probably be him. To have a dull moment around this person is virtually impossible. However, don't let his happy-go-lucky behavior deceive you, because this person possesses just enough creativity and street smartness to find his way out of anything. This person is a full package waiting to explode at the avenue of international service along with Mahir. So presenting to you the second International Service Director, Vanshraj Thakkar. The calmer the person, the more capable he is of turning your entire world upside down. At the first encounter, you'd think that this person is a silent and serene person. However, this person can be wild enough to just turn your world upside down according to his whims and fancies. His brain works in a manner that might befuddle you, but his work speaks for him. With the craziest of ideas coupled with a calm mind, this person will be an asset to the avenue, lock, stock and barrel. Along with Karan, he will make sure that professional development is a mixture of class and creativity. So presenting to you the second Professional Development Director, Arush Agrawal. So moving on to the next person, only losers make excuses because winners make history. This quote speaks volumes about the next person as he or she is constantly hungry to win. This trait has resulted in some great triumphs for this person at the club, and this characteristic is what will define the avenue of sports this year. This person has a calm head, but he or she will never shy away from a good argument. With determination, garnished with creativity and hard work, this person is going to be an indispensable asset at the avenue of sports. So presenting to you the sports director for this year, Protractor Raj Jain. There are 24 hours, 1440 minutes a day. Seems like 1440 opportunities to live to the fullest. If being bubbly and energetic was to be personified, then this person would simply be that. The bubbly behavior of this person is enough to charm you out of your wits. At the same time, when she works because nothing else comes first. With her enthusiasm and charm, the support function of public relations is all said to be out there. Presenting to you the first Public Relations Officer and Marketing Director, Protractor Dhruvi Gala. True passion is the one that can never burn out. This quote truly defines the next person. A workhorse who can achieve anything that he sets his eyes on. This person is very approachable and humble at the same time. He can be extremely witty and can also talk his way out of any problem, which is a mandate when it comes to the support function of public relations and marketing. A constant achiever at the club, he is ready to take this year by storm as sky is the limit for him. Presenting to you the second Public Relations Officer and Marketing Director, Protractor Vivan Patel. So moving on to the next person, you get what you work for, not what you wish for. If hard work had a name, then it would definitely be this person. He is someone who has never had the fear of being judged and has always gone with his gut. His curiosity and inquisitiveness, combined with his love for the club, has made him contribute immensely to the club in the form of diligence and leadership. Along with Vivan and Dhruvi, these qualities will make him do wonders at this support function and will give it a new dimension. So presenting to you the third Public Relations Officer and Marketing Director, Preet Jain. So moving on to the next person, only those who risk going too far can figure out how far they can go. This quote truly defines this adventurous spirit of this person. Having seen some adverse situations at the club, this person has always stood on top with not 5 but 6 stars. A lively person to be around, this person has the knack to be witty and creative in his humor, and thus he will be a nightmare for people at certain places. At editorial, this person is going to take the year by storm and will create the most beautiful masterpieces using more than just pen and paper. Presenting to you the first editorial director, Protractor Krish Shah.
I'll be fine. You're the drug that I'm addicted.
So moving on to the next person, never second guess yourself even when the world is screaming. At one point, they're bound to have a sore throat. If you find this quote wacky, then this is just a precursor to the person that I'm talking about. Confidence is something that you don't find her lacking. At the same time, this person is a very poised individual with a sophisticated finesse visible in everything that she does. With her wacky mind and a poised persona, this person is going to bring a revolution. Along with Krish, she will ensure that the support function of editorial is always at its peak. So presenting to you your second editorial director, Dhwani Mistry. So apologies from Dhwani's end since she couldn't be here. Moving on to the next person. Rule number 1, never be number 2. Competition is something that this person loves and intent is something that comes organically to her. This person always keeps pre-established objectives and uses her intent and competitiveness to achieve it. And that's what makes her a leader. These traits reside in her, and along with her love for this place, she will be the perfect one to accommodate this position. Along with Isha, she'll be a dynamic individual spearheading the support function of Task Force. Presenting to you the second Task Force Director, Chavi Agrawal. Moving on to the next person, you can never exhaust creativity. The more you use, the more you have. Creativity is a natural extension of this next person's enthusiasm. His or her imagination and creativity has the power to really change the world. This person's talent is so pronounced, it can definitely leave one spellbound. His or her ability to make designs and videos come to life and make you fall in love with them are second to none. This person will ensure that the support function of cyber media is only going towards success and growing with time. Presenting to you the first cyber media director, Protractor Aryan Dhamejani. So moving on to the next person, quiet people have the loudest minds. This quote fits just about right for the next person. He is someone that might speak less but only speaks sense when he does. He is a dangerous mixture of creativity and skill, garnished with humbleness and a solid work ethic. He can definitely convert the contents of a memory card into a beautiful story, simply by his editing skills. This person will ensure that the support function of cyber media is always surprising people and taking them by storm. So presenting to you the second cyber media director, Protractor Gaurav Punjabi. Moving on to the next person, hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. This person is a complete package of talent. Be it sports, be it dance, or be it editing, this person has it all. Creativity is something which is embedded within him and he uses it to the utmost caliber wherever required. He is someone that can easily bring a smile on your face. Using his imagination and implementing it on his creations, this person will bring a revolution to the support function of cyber media along with Aryan and Gaurav. So presenting to you the third cyber media director, Yash Punwani. So apologies from Yash's end since he couldn't be here. Moving on to the next person. Helping one might not change the world, but it could change the world for one person. This next person is someone who rises by lifting others. Someone who believes that the smallest act of kindness is worth more than the grandest intention. He or she is smart enough to do the right thing for the right reasons. This person's persona, humble nature and diligence are just a few things that will help him or her take the club's biggest project to newer heights. This person's aura and energy is so contagious that will spread through every member like wildfire. Presenting to you the Director for Social Initiative, Rotractor Riyan Kanigota.
It's the sound of walking away.
Moving on to the next person. Creativity isn't the way I think, it's the way I like to live. The world is but a canvas to this next person's imagination. For this person, his or her creativity and imagination is the true magic carpet. His ability to leave you in awe of his work can never be second guessed. The drive and devotion that this person showcases is exactly what ignites the zeal in our members. Again, he is someone who you can never have a dull moment around. Bringing this creativity to use, presenting to you the social media director, Rotractor Arish Karnali. Okay, so moving on to the next person, either strive for perfection right till the last bit in everything that you do, or simply don't try. This person is a rather dynamic individual, someone who is peaceful and wild at the same time. Her expertise in various aspects of the club will help to guide and motivate directors as well as members at all points of time. She is someone who is very approachable and will always hear you out before giving any advice. Again, she is someone who has great experience at this place and will help make the year a successful one. So presenting to you the Human Resource Development Officer, Rotractor Gaina Kanwal.
I'll be fine. You're the drug that I'm addicted to, and I want you so bad.
So they say that beliefs are choices. First, you believe and then those beliefs affect your choices. Every director standing up here is someone who I truly believe in, and hence I'm assured that they are the perfect fit for taking the legacy of the Rotaract Club of HR College forward. The 36th Board of Directors is raring to go. The only thing that you have to do is believe in us. So that's it from our end, signing off for the very first time, the 36th Board of Directors.
Full of stars.